Hello guys, welcome to Career Consult channel. In this video, I will be providing some instance of the Coursera free courses. So due to Corona COVID-19, Coursera has provided so many free courses for college students, and I will give the link in the description for accessing these courses. And you can see these courses can be accessed by anyone, not for only college students. Let me brief what it means. So you can do the course of personal development. As you can see here, the courses list of the courses which are available here. So computer science and data, and under understanding the public health and personal well-being, business and entrepreneurship, and humanities and language. So you can see the categories, and you will be having few courses for free along with the certification. So let me go and enroll in one course so that you can understand that I am not telling any lie, it is truth. So I am loading a computer vision basics course, and you can see about the course at this course, understand what it will does, and what you have to learn, what you will be learning, and who will be the teacher, instructors. You can see all these. And now I want to enroll this course. Then just if you are not signed up, or if you don't use Coursera, then just create an account there. Now I am going to enroll. So enroll for free. So you can see here your promotion will be applied at checkout. So 100% off will be there. Then I am going to continue. So you can see here free enrollment is available until July 31. So until July 31, whatever the course I will be showing, you can access to that course. So I have completely purchased my successfully purchased my computer vision basics course. So I am just going to course so that you can see that I have enrolled in the course successfully. So continue to computer vision course. So you can see here week 1 and the videos, and week 2 and some assignment will be there, you have to do that. And at the end, week 4, you will be having exam, and after that you will be having the certifications at the end. So you will get the certification also. So this is the Coursera's initiative, because so many are in affected due to the COVID-19. So Coursera is bringing the initiative so that the people should learn for free along with the certification. So I will provide the link for this course in the description, so please check that. So these are the courses which can be available for free for anyone. So now if you are a college student and your college is registered under the Coursera, then you are having another surprise, that your college will you will be providing the 3,800 courses for free. You can see here, if you are not a college student, for common people also you can learn some of the courses which is free. But if you are a college student and your college is registered under the Coursera, then you can access about 3,800 courses. So what you have to do here is, you can see the website, and you can see the frequently asked questions. Am I eligible for free courses? Or you can see that I will provide the link in the description. What you have to do is, you have to just enter your email, the college email or university email, which will be given to you from the college. If you are not having the email, then just ask the college to provide email, and also ask the college to register on Coursera if the college is not registered. Why you have to make this register, your college register means you will be having the bunch of courses there, and Coursera is having so many specialization there. So Python for everybody, where specialization involves 5 courses, and all these courses and all this specialization will be given for you free, completely free. So please request your college to register on the Coursera and request your college to provide the university email so that you can log into this website and you can access the course. So for this confidentiality, I am not showing the colleges or the email address which I have used to enter this website. So you can see here the courses which are available, programming for everybody, most popular courses, and you will be having the 3,800 courses and completely for free along with the certificate. So it will be really a good opportunity, and along with the guided project will be there. You can access that and you can have the certificate which will definitely add to your resume. It will add value to your resume. So, and I want to show something that in the free courses which I have told, which is open to all everybody, there are some courses like algorithm part 1. There are some courses like this which are free, but they are not providing the certificate. That doesn't mean that I am saying lie, because the Princeton University is not providing the certificate for that. So I have already purchased this, so it is showing go to course. If you purchased, if you try to purchase or enroll this course, you can see that it is completely free, but you can't get the certificate. So don't worry, for this and algorithm, whatever the courses offered by the Princeton University, there will be no certificate. So other than these courses, you can access all the course along with the certification. As you can see here, this offer is valid only for July 31. Means you can enroll in any course before July 31, and this is same for free online courses also. And as you can see here, your discount will be applied at the checkout, and offer is subject to change and valid through July 31. So for both common people and for also the those who are learning under university or college students, for both the you should enroll to the course before July 31. And here you can see that to learn for free through September 30, 2020. So up to September 30, you will be having the access to all of that specialization and each and every courses, 3,800 courses you are having access to learn. So this is for the university and college students, and there are no data about up to how many time you are getting this free course for the common people, but I think it may be up to September 30. So please enroll to the course before July 31 and finish that course before September 30 to get the certificate. And for those who are having the university email, for them also before September 30, please finish the course. So this is the initiative by the Coursera to help the students or the learners during this COVID-19. So now if you want your college to register on the Coursera, then I have something you can see here. I will provide the link of this in the description also. So you can see here, this is the application form for your campus to register on the Coursera. So you can ask your college to register on Coursera, and you can then access all of these specializations. And let me say, what are the specialization? Let me say there is a Google IT certification also, Google support IT support. So you can, this is the professional certificate, and it will be provided for free of cost. So it is really a good opportunity. If it is not on the offer, then it will be really a huge amount you have to pay to get this certificate. So it is completely free now. If your college is enrolled in, if your college is registered on Coursera and you are having the college email, and if you are logging to the Coursera along with your college email. So this is for today. Please share this video with your friends and like this video and subscribe to my channel. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. In the later videos, I will be providing the Udemy free courses which you can do along with the certification also. You can get the certification also. Certification indicates the level that you have learned something from that course, so you can get the certificate also. So Edgeonics and Udemy courses will be provided in the next video along with the certifications. So please subscribe to Career Consult channel. Thank you.